Hey, hi, how's it going? We are working on the lattice today. Some more lattice. How exciting, right? I know. I'm excited about it. Brent is grabbing the saw right now, the table saw, and then we have a whole bunch of wood that we have to rip because we are basically DIYing some lattice right now. So we put this lattice up in the side yard. Love it. It's fabulous. It helps just kind of make everything feel a little more cozy. And then we would also really like to get some lattice on the gazebo. So we're going to try to DIY some lattice because you can't really get 12-foot pieces of lattice. So we're going to DIY it. And we're just figuring it out as we go. So this gazebo originally had some brackets. We took the brackets off and we ordered some metal brackets that are going to go on and attach to the frame here rather than being like a long span like this. And that should shore it back up because it's a little loosey-goosey without the side brackets. They look like this right here. Those have to come off. And then basically what we're going to do is just kind of create lattice covering this entire section here. And then I plan on growing some type of vine across here. I can't put the clematis that a lot of people want me to move over here. I can't put the clematis here because this is full sun. This is more sun than where it's at currently, and that is too much sun. But I think I'm going to do like an ivy or something like that because that would be really pretty. I'm not worried about rats because what are they going to do? Climb the gazebo. But this will all be lattice right here with something growing over it. And then eventually we want to get one of those retractable shades, and the retractable shade will go on the inside behind the lattice because I don't think that they're the most beautiful thing, but I think we're going to end up really needing it. So that'll be a down the road project. We need one for this side and one for that side. We're looking at a couple options right now. And then the lattice is going to stop right below this table. So that way it's kind of open down below and it's just like lattice up above. And you guys should have seen us getting these home. These are 12-foot boards. We fit them in the car. We had to tie the tailgate closed, but we got them home. Somebody's going to say that we need a truck. We would have had the same issue if we had a truck. These are 12-foot boards. They don't make trucks with like 12-foot beds. So it would have, like, even if we got a truck and had like a 5-foot bed, it would have been hanging out the bed like 7 feet. So these fit in the car, and they were only hanging out of the back of the car like a foot. It was perfect. The way that we're going to DIY this is we are going to use fence boards, and we're going to rip down the fence boards into the size slats that I want. And then we're going to paint the fence boards the same cream color right there, and then just kind of start building it all together. He's got us all set up. So we've got the chop saw to cut down. We have to cut off the dog ears because we're going to be using a fence post. And then we've got the table saw, and this is what we're going to use to rip the boards. So we're going to spend the next probably hour and a half ripping boards. We're going to use fence boards to create this. We're going to get all the boards ripped, and then we will get them painted, and then I'll kind of show you guys how this is coming together. I swear, we do have a plan. Okay, we got all the boards cut. It's so hot out already. We're going to load them up on the gorilla cart, take them into the driveway, and then we're going to paint all of them. And they're going to be painted in the same color that the fence is right there, which is soft pelican. And it's in an exterior paint. We're going to use the paint sprayer and try to get all these painted as quick as possible. We're also waiting for something to come from Amazon because we need the brackets to come for the gazebo before we can build anything. So those should be here in the next couple hours, but while we wait, we're gonna get everything painted. Okay, we brought everything back here, and we got all of the boards painted, which is really exciting. And they're rough, they're fence boards. It doesn't need to be perfect. Like, some of them are extremely rough, and it's totally fine. It's going to just add to the character of it. It's just going to be cottagey and cozy and warm and whatever. It doesn't have to be perfect. It doesn't have to be perfect. I just want it to look really, really good. And also the brackets came in. So we're gonna take off these boards here, and this will attach to the post here, and it will actually attach to the inside here. So it'll go in on this side and then on the outside of this. So it's gonna get kind of sandwiched in there. And once this is placed, then we can go ahead and we can start assembling this puzzle. So I hope this is making sense now. We're almost halfway done. So we're gonna start working on the other slats going the other way. And we may have mismeasured or miscalculated, and we might not have enough slats vertically. We're gonna go all the horizontal ones, and we're gonna do as many vertical as we possibly can. And if we have to stop back there, we'll stop back there, and then we'll just get to it a different day. This has been a all-day project, and I think that we're doing pretty dang good, if I say so myself. Before we get back to work, I'm sure that there's probably somebody who's gonna say that they don't like it, and that's okay. Don't do it in your garden if you don't like it. There's also probably gonna be some people who are mad because now the view is blocked when you enter into the garden, where before there was a view through and you could kind of see what was going on in the garden. The main reason that we are doing this is because for a huge portion of the day, you can't even be out here because the sun kind of comes in sideways here. And so it makes it so that all of this gazebo area is totally unusable. So we need to get something for shade, and we would like something that can be year-round shade if we so choose. And then eventually we would like to get some type of electronic blind that goes up and down in there for when we want it to be full shade. But this will create so like it's like dappled shade, and we can actually sit there and it'll be usable. So there is logic behind the madness, and if you don't like it, don't do it in your garden, as I said. look how good this looks when you enter now. So the lattice on top of the fence, and then the lattice on the gazebo, it makes this feel like a room. And then eventually there's gonna be a lattice wall here and a lattice wall here that's going to match that lattice. So it'll kind of feel like a really like deep wall. It'll feel like a walkway, which will be really, really nice. Well, it does feel like a walkway, but it'll feel like a walking room. Does that make sense at all? And then you'll enter into here, and this is what you see. I love it so much. It's going to create so much shade in there, which is so nice. And then eventually I would like a really big pot there with some type of vine growing along the wall there. Could be jasmine, could be ivy, could be whatever we decide. And then I do want to fill up the bottom here with, I think I want to do like 3 like basket style containers, baskets that maybe kind of match the wicker on the sofa there. But this just feels so nice. It does give us a little bit more privacy. Our neighbor's house is up on like stilts, and so not that they're looking down into our yard, but they can look into our yard. And so this just kind of lends to a little more privacy, and it's going to give us so much shade in here. And this just feels so stinking cozy right here. I love that. Let me show you what it looks like from inside the gazebo. So we obviously ran out of boards, which is fine because you actually can't even tell from the other side. So we will finish that a later date because we're gonna have to do more lattice for the lattice that we want right there. But I love the way that it looks here. We have curtains up because the sun blasts through here. So that's another issue that we got to figure out. But see, it just kind of like lends to a little bit of privacy when we're in here, which is really nice. It makes us feel very cozy, very intimate. So I think this is where we say goodbye. We are a sweaty mess. It was almost 100 degrees today. It was awful. Anyways, thank you so much for visiting our garden. I love this project. I'm happy we got it done in one day. It felt like it was just a race to the finish. Thank you so much for visiting. We'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.